Hello everyone, this is just a dad. Today I'm going to do an unboxing and a review on this Mission USB charging stand for the Amazon Echo Spot. So it doesn't come with the Echo Spot. Here I have the Amazon Echo Spot. Here's everything that comes in the box. This is the charging stand. So it's so easy to operate. You simply just unplug the power cord that comes with the Spot. You put it on the base. This cable's permanently attached. Now you just plug it in here. And now you plug this into right here. And that's how easy it is to use. Now I can charge 3 different items up here. I got USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. Now it's not held in with magnets or anything, but it does fit in there really nice. Let's go over the measurements. So now it makes it about 5 3/4 inches tall. You know, left to right's 4 inches, front to back is about 4.5. That cable is going to stick out the back, so now you're at about 5.5 inches. And again, here's a close-up. Again, you simply just take the Echo Spot cable off, plug this in. It's the same cable. Now this is going to have power in. It's powering up this device and this at the same time. So here's this is a 15-watt cable, power adapter that comes with the Amazon Echo Spot, 15 watts. And you can plug this into 100, 240 volts, 50 or 60 hertz, 12 volts, 1.25 amps out. So it says each port on the front of it can provide up to 7.5 watts, 5 volts, 1.5 amps to charge your devices. So it limits it to the power out of all 3 ports is 7.5 watts. So if you need to charge, say you want to charge your iPhone, it won't fast charge it, but you can charge your iPhone, your AirPods, your Apple Watch, all 3 at the same time. USB-A and 2 USB-C ports. And again, here's what it looks like. It's so easy to use and works great. I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.